What are the values of current densities required in IBM? A 0.25 Ma cm2, B 0.35 Ma cm2, C 0.55 Ma cm2, D 0.85 Ma cm2. The correct answer is 0.85 Ma cm2. What is the value of voltage required for machining in ion beam machining? A 1 kV, B 2 kV, C 3 kV, D 4 kV. The correct answer is 1 kV. What is the value of beam diameter that is obtained in IBM? A 1 cm, B 3 cm, C 5 cm, D 7 cm. The correct answer is 5 cm. How much amount of energy is required for effective removal of atoms? A 1 to 5 eV, B 5 to 10 eV, C 10 to 15 eV, D 15 to 20 eV. The correct answer is 5 to 10 eV. Machining rates in IBM depend on which of the following factors? A workpiece material, B ions type, C incident angle, D all of the mentioned. The correct answer is all of the mentioned. What is the full form of LBM in advanced machining processes? A laser beam manufacturing, B laser beam machining, C light blast manufacturing, D light beam machining. The correct answer is laser beam machining.